how to fix auto volume adjustment on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. The other time whilst doing a live stream, I realized my audience were complaining about their inability to hear me properly. So quickly I checked my microphone volume level and I noticed my volume level kept on adjusting automatically. It will go to 80% and then 50% and back to 80% and 50% again. And later I got to find out it's Windows trying to help me. But this of course can be very frustrating, especially if you don't need that help. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off that auto volume adjustment and have your volume being consistent at the same rate. And make sure to stick to the end of this video to see the entire steps. Now first thing first, on your Windows desktop, navigate to the start menu and tap on it. Then proceed to select on settings. In here, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Up and above, we're going to make sure we type control panel and proceed to hit on enter. Then make sure to pick the one with this best match. Inside the control panel, make sure to locate the view by and click on the drop menu. Make sure to select on large icons. Then in here, you're going to scroll down and locate sound. And with that selected, another pop-up menu will appear. Then locate communication. And this is where you're going to make some important adjustment. In your case, you're going to notice that it's either selected by reduce the volume of other sounds by 80% or reduce the volume of other sounds by 50%. Irrespective of any option that is selected here, make sure to scroll down to the bottom and select on do nothing. With this selected, continue to proceed to apply and tap on it. Then after that, continue to tap on OK. Wait, that's not all. Microsoft is trying its best to assist us by regulating the volume of this sound, and sometimes you don't need it for some other reasons. So in the event later you have a change of mind and you want Windows to have that ability, just locate your control panel again and then proceed to sound. Then here navigate to communication, and with communication selected, make sure to toggle on reduce the volume of other sounds by 80%. And this will automatically be adjusting your volume in real time whilst recording or doing a live stream. I hope this helped. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. It might be featured in our next live series, which always happens on Saturday and Sunday. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.